This video is brought to you by Greater Commons. Greater learning, greater opportunities, greater life. Visit us at greatercommons.com.
All right, so I'm going to teach you how to delete values from a slice in Go. And the first thing you need to understand is how slices work. So two places you want to look when trying to understand the Go programming language, or to just get a definitive take on the programming language, is the Go programming language specification, and then also effective Go. And so effective Go, we'll take a look at that. And there's slices right down here and append. And so I'm going to click on append. And here's how append works. So you got to know how append works before you know how to delete from a slice. So append will take a slice of some type, and it will append to that slice of some type an unlimited number of values of that type. So these are just values listed out. So here we have a slice of int using a composite literal. And so composite literal is the type and then curly braces and the values inside the curly braces. So here's the type and there are the values inside the curly braces. Slice of int, values inside curly braces. So we have a slice of int, we assign it to x. We're going to append to x, right? And we append to this slice these values. Those are ints. Okay, do you see how it works? A slice of t append wants a slice of some type and then values of that type, as many values as you want. So here's our slice, and append as many values that are type int as we want. Assign it to a variable x, which is right there, right? So this could be any variable. We're just overriding what was stored in x before. Just that's what's happening. It's not like you're like, anyhow, the point being is you need a slice of some type right here in append. Append wants a slice of some type and then values of that type. Cool. That's the first thing you need to understand. So here I have a slice of int. When I print that slice of int out, my composite literal, right, with those values, I get this right here. Now we could slice a slice. And so slice a slice. To do that, we have the slice, and then we put brackets after it, and inside the brackets we have the colon. So one thing we could do is we could access a slice by value, just so you see that. All right, give me what's in position 4. And that gave me 4. So I accessed a value of my slice. It's pretty straightforward. And now here we're slicing a slice. So we take our slice and we put a colon in. And the colon works to say, give me everything starting from here up to, but not including here. And these are index positions. So if I do :7, it's going to give me everything up to, but not including 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Index position 0, index position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So if I want to delete from a slice, I'm going to combine these two things, appending, and I'm also going to combine slicing. So I'll get my starting value. So my starting value is, here's my slice, and I'm going to slice that. And I'm going to slice it up to, and when you don't have a value there, just go from the start. When you don't have a value here, go to the end. So here in my slice it up to, but not including 3. That gives me 0, 1, 2. And here I'm going to say from here, and this is from here, including here, to the end. And so 5, 6, 7. And so when I combine those, I'm going to use append. And when you slice a slice, you get a slice. How do you like that? When you slice a slice, you get a slice. And here's some code to prove it. I have a slice of int. I slice it and assign it here. I print it out and I see this, and I look at its type, and I see that. So when you slice a slice, you have a slice. So this returns a slice right here, a slice of int. That's a whole new slice. And I'm going to append to this slice these values. And the ... just means unwind the values. Unwind them, put the actual values there. Unwind is my word. Put the actual values there. So it's going to put 5, 6, 7 with commas right there. Okay? And then I assign that, I append these values to this slice and assign it to xi. I could have called this xx if I wanted and just left xi alone. Right? I'm just assigning a value to an identifier. And that value is overriding the value that was there before. So that's how you delete from a slice, 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. I hope you found this helpful. And I hope that answered your question about, out of bounds errors, because it's up to but not including. So I could do all the way, if I wanted to here, this is, I could do all the way up to 8 because it doesn't include 8, and I don't get an index out of bound error, right? There is no index position 8, but you don't include 8. But I got all the way to 7 because I went 1 past. That's the way it works.